Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and if y'all are new, hello there. My name is Lorena and thank you so much for clicking on this video. Okay. Anyways, but today I'm gonna be showing y'all my go-to makeup routine right now. I mean, I'm wearing makeup, but it's not as much makeup because I only do 3 things. Yes, 3 things with my face. That's all I do. 3 things, that's it, I'm done. Woo! Okay. Yeah, I figured why not, show y'all this, because I've actually been doing this a lot lately, like a lot, y'all. Because I don't have time to be putting on makeup and looking all nice, and sometimes I look like this. I mean, like, you see me like that, and then you see me like this, and then you'll see me like, so yeah. This is pretty much, when I kind of want to look decent or look like I'm putting an effort for today, but I'm really not, if you catch my drift there. So yeah. But anyways, this is what I do. Makeup, no makeup, still, it doesn't matter. Do whatever you want, because I don't care. People don't care. At least people shouldn't care, because it ain't your body, okay? Yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and start out with my brows. Ooh, I feel like every time I when I film on here for y'all, I feel like my brows are always bushy. Oh, I'm just lazy, y'all. I'm always lazy. I will speed through this, but of course I will show y'all what I'll be using. I'm going to be using the Goof Proof Brow Pencil by Benefit. I love this so much. At first, when I first started trying it, I was like, not for me. And I was using that gel pod thing. But instead of touching that lately, I've been really going for this. And I love it. So yeah, I'm in number 5. Okay, y'all, now that those are done, oh my gosh, my foot fell asleep. Oh my gosh, I fell asleep so bad. Okay, now that I have that, I am gonna go ahead and do my under eyes. And for my under eyes, all I do, y'all, hold on. For my under eyes, all I use, y'all, this is the old packaging and all that, but I'm still trying to use up the packaging, okay? But I'm gonna use my NARS concealer, and it's in Vanilla Lot 2. That's what it says on the bottom. And this might be bad, but I don't wet this at all. I just go, And then once I do that, I always use this stuff all the time. I was going with my contour kit by Anastasia, and I put in the banana shade right there just to set all that there. So yeah, that's what I will be doing now. right now that I look somewhat awake, y'all, like look at the difference that does to you. Okay. I always use that concealer just because I'm in love with that concealer. I have one from Unique. It's actually the same skin tone as me. I've used it once. I haven't used it like this, like my not so a lot of makeup type of days. But I don't know how I'm feeling. I should have used it today to see how I would like it with this, but yeah, I don't know why I didn't do that. But well, this is my normal, you know, go-to stuff. But yeah, now what I'm gonna be using, doing, is I'm gonna go in and curl my lashes. And then I'm gonna go in. I've been using this nonstop since I've gotten it. I am so for my Born This Way foundation by Too Faced, but getting this epic mascara, Moodstruck Epic Mascara from Unique, I really actually like it, to be honest with you. But this, I think this, it sells for like the whole, it curls your lashes. I always curl my lashes with the eyelash curler. Well, I always do this first with my eyelashes, because they just don't curl at all. And I feel like when I put this on without curling them one time, it didn't do nothing for me. So I'm gonna just still curl them. Okay, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. And yeah, y'all, this is my, you know, put together type of makeup look. To be honest, this is really it. This is all I do. I usually just put chapstick on. I don't have nothing near me right now, so yeah. I usually just do chapstick, or you can always do gloss. Or if you're feeling really into yourself, you can always just put some lipstick on. And yeah, this is very simple. Anyone could do it, and it works for the days that you just don't want to wake up super early, put a full face on, or if you just have to rush out the door. This is really simple. And again, you don't have to put anything else on your skin. You can let your skin breathe for a little bit, you know, at least the rest of your face. But yeah, or you can even just add some highlight, some like a, what do you call it? I really like my highlight from Wet n Wild. It's kind of like an old collection, I believe, or maybe not. No, it wasn't in the collection. But if you find one that's very not so like bam, even though that's like the thing, just do like, you know, a nice little one, whatever you feel, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this little tutorial of my, is that a bird out there? Of my little makeup situation or little go-to routine right now. But yeah, thank y'all so much for watching. If y'all like me, love this video, anything, please like this video, subscribe down below, click that button, of course, and you can always click on that little bell to get notifications when I post my videos. Also, if you want, you can follow me on social media. I'm very active on those. Sometimes I don't post a lot, but I do look at everyone's stuff. So if you want to follow, just let me know and I'll follow you. And yeah, just comment also below any video ideas or anything that comes to your mind. You know, I don't really care. Anything. But yeah, thank y'all so much again for watching, and please remember, spread love, happiness, positivity, because we sure as hell don't need no hate in this world. It's too much crap going on, and just I hope y'all are having a wonderful day or weekend, whatever it may be that you're watching this. And just thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye. Baba come back. You can blame it all on me. Okay. I'm so tired. I'm gonna put some music on. I love this song. Put on your makeup. I am though. And bring you to your knees. Oh my gosh. Oh no. My foot is falling asleep, y'all. Cruller. Oh, I always curl them with the curl. I always curl them with the curler. Oh my gosh, why am I saying this